DBP was born in extremely difficult time when the Philippines was struggling to recover from the dire effects of World War II.
Today, DBP provides assistance to priority sectors, reassessing their needs amidst the vastly changed socio-economic environment spawned by the pandemic.
Corporate governance matters more than ever amidst the challenges of the current pandemic. Governance is at the heart and soul of DBP in delivering financial services towards increasing incomes, providing jobs, livelihood, and achieving sustainable peace in the country.
Bayan muna bago ang sarili, yan ang puso ng DBP. Katapatan sa aming tungkulin, patuloy ang pagtulong sa kapwa.
Sustainability as the heart and soul of DBP. Responding to the challenges of the pandemic, DBP intensified its assistance for the rehabilitation and recovery of affected projects. We responded to help mitigate the adverse impacts of the pandemic.
Our hearts are always burning with hope that we will continue to raise our country's economic competitiveness and to be able to carry on with this mission. We give equal importance and focus on our most important partner, our human resource.
Our country may still be facing challenges right now, but we know better than to let the fire and passion of hearts flicker. On the contrary, the magnitude of our shared commitment to enhance the quality of life for our fellow Filipinos drives now more than ever.
DBP's remarkable and colorful history will continue to inspire us to remain unrelenting in supporting initiatives that fulfill our country's development needs.
We are in for a better normal as long as we stand strong together. Our efforts are only as good as our collective resolve to work unceasingly for the greater good, no matter the circumstances.
May our shared belief in the power of collaboration and hard work continue to flourish and push us to achieve more in the service of our fellow Filipinos.
Through the years, the Department of Agriculture and DBP are great partners in serving the Filipino people, especially in joint projects and partnerships to elevate the plight of farmers, fishers, and other small and medium-scale industries.
We are honored to have strong ties with an enduring and respected government institution such as DBP. We share your vision to be a catalyst of national development, and with your support, we can continue to make a positive difference in the lives of our countrymen.
We will remain resolute and unwavering in serving the greater good, all because we have more to accomplish, more communities to grow, and more Filipinos to serve.
It's our indomitable spirit and courage that will continue to help drive our country onwards to battle another day. And there will always be DBP, whose heart and soul will remain grateful for the opportunity to journey side by side with every Filipino towards progress for all.